What's growing on, folks? This is Beans to Greens. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back, and I really appreciate the support. This is season 2 of our Vivosun series. If you haven't checked out season 1 and you're interested, I'll throw a link up in the corner. In this season, we're going to be growing yet again in their 2x4 Pro Grow Tent Kit that I'll link down in the description. Vivosun has great products for a very reasonable price. If you're interested in anything Vivosun, make sure you check out their website and Amazon. And if you do decide to buy anything, make sure you use my promo code BEANS2GREENS to save yourself 15% at checkout. In this season, we got some really exciting things. We're going to be popping some new beans. And what's interesting about it is I'm letting you guys decide what we're popping. So we have 3 strains to choose from. We have Oreos, which is an indica dominant, and it is a cookies and cream crossed with Secret Weapon. The flavors and aroma are described as diesel and vanilla. Next up, we have Gushers, which is also an indica dominant. It is Gelato 41 crossed with Triangle Kush. The flavors and aroma on that are cookie, earthy, and fruity. Next up, we have Grape Diamonds, which, you guessed it, is also an indica dominant strain. And the flavors and aroma are grape, skunk, tart, grapefruit, and propane. So think about those and let me know down in the comments, which one do you vote for? I'm going to let this go for about a week, and then next weekend we'll take a peek, see where we're at, and whoever has the most votes, that's what we're going to be growing in the tent. We're going to be growing 2 plants, and we're going to be growing them in 15-gallon pots. Instead of growing autos, all of these are photo periods. The other thing that we're going to be doing is I want to let them grow a little bit more naturally, in the sense that I'm not going to use any type of trellis net like I do in the 5x5. I want to show you guys what plants can look like with strictly training, and see what kind of yield and what the plant can kind of look like from that. As always, we're going to be growing it in living soil, and we're going to see how this tent ends up producing this go around. So let me know down in the comments which one you vote for. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Make sure you hit that like button, get set up for notifications so you're not missing any new content, and also drop me a comment down below. Let me know what y'all have grown inside your gardens, or what are you smoking on? I always love to find out.